there! Great to meet you. If you're looking to get into the car wash business, then you definitely have to talk to me. My name is Carl O'Brien from Montreal, Quebec. I own and operate 2 car washes which are located in the underground parking of major shopping mall upscale lifestyle centers. Alright, now I'm gonna share with you 3 secrets. Number 1, where to find the funds to start the car wash. Do you want to know where to find the funds? You gotta. Number 2, how to negotiate a lease. Now that's a big one. I've been there twice before, so And finally, number 3, how to find the best location for a car wash like this one. It's pretty easy. You gotta go where? And if you're ready to make money, book your free consultation call with me now.